on then. There we go. There we go. Yeah. They're a wee bit under the weather here. I've got them on medication. I'm just not happy with them, that's all. But they're looking good. But they're not right. They're not 100%. Not 100%. But they're looking alright. So I'm trying to tighten up their droppings. That's what they've got, wet droppings. But not anymore. So this could be their last day on medication. But their wattles don't look too clever either. And that's what I'm looking at. Especially that blue. That blue. See that blue? Him. That blue. He doesn't look too well. But we'll see. We'll see. And I'll catch you all in the next video. Cheery cheery.